Oh, that sounds terrible.
So it's another day in the shop. It's a Monday day today. Boys made it back with the machine, as you saw a little bit ago.
Yikes! Tony lent us a trailer without lug nuts.
Get any sleep?
Not really. 3 o'clock in the morning. We're somewhere close to the south end of Illinois.
Now we gotta get it moved in. So Firmer and I cleaned out a bunch of stuff here on Saturday. Got a bunch of lumber moved out. Got that side emptied off. Got this side mostly done. That'll be fine there. We can shoot right over top of that. So we got to do all that, build some heavy ramps, and put some rollers on it, be able to roll her down the ramp into the place hopefully. And in the meantime, I got to get some room made in here. So we got to move the wide belt sander and the planer, so we have somewhere to put this thing, and then we got to figure out where we're going to put them. So we'll have to move them just off to the side for now until we get that in, figure out how big it is, exactly where it's going to sit, and then once that's figured out, we'll figure out where we're going to put these. So we're going to get to it.
Ow! In my head.
You got tension up there? I got some more rollers up here. I'm about to lose my ability to winch and the skids just hit the floor. There's different bits.
Alright, front letter out. So it's in, but now we gotta turn it around. Pointed the wrong direction, so maybe we should have figured that out first, but we didn't, so now we're gonna turn it.
Fall off. Oh my.
We should throw a second board down there, Lance. Keep going. One more. 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 Well, one more. Oh. Probably about it right there. Now it's in place. I gotta see if we can get the blower down here. So you remember this thing? Lance got it all set up. We were going to use it to cut lumber before we decided to buy a CNC machine. So now it's in the way. So we'll find somewhere else to put it, hopefully.
Point that thing somewhere else.
Never run a tape measure before?
Not much. Where's that grinder? Grind. Like this.
Alright, the end of day 2 of tearing up the shop. We got the CNC in place. It's all sitting like it's gonna. Suction motors bolted down there. We got wide belt and planer sitting over here. Just a little bit of dust collection to hook up. Wiring's all done. And we have all of the wood back in its home. All but the top layer was just put in today. So, that's been a good day. Still have a mess to clean up. Tomorrow, hopefully we'll get everything clean and organized and we'll get back to work. And we'll show you when we get this thing working and running. And that'll be cool. Thanks for watching.